Hi students, in this quick video I'm going to demo a blind contour drawing. In this drawing we want to describe how our eye moves around the contours or the edges that we see in the setup. Okay, so I've got my still life in the background, and this is a fairly quick blind contour drawing that I did a few minutes ago. So with this, the words blind refer to you are not looking at the paper. So sometimes that can be a little bit hard. If you want, you can put a piece of paper on top of the paper. I'm going to start and just be drawing while I'm talking through this. I'm starting by describing the koala bear's ear, and then I'm going in the background to the box, and I'm pretending, what I want to pretend is just that my eyes are like little ants that are moving along each edge of the still life. So my pencil is just going along, describing the fur on the edge of the paw, the material and the texture on the edge of the basket, and really slowing yourself down to look at these objects very slowly and deliberately with a very defined, continuous line, if possible. And as you go, you'll discover more and more things that you notice. The tufts of hair in the koala bear's ears. And I think I'll go back and start the flag. Blind contour drawings are less about what you have at the end and more about the process that you go through to explore the objects. You'll feel yourself once in a while going into other kinds of drawings because you'll lose focus at times and other times gain focus. But you want to try to kind of maintain a connection to the things in front of you with a continuous contour line. Right now I'm going to the shower head. Mechanical things are especially fun with blind contour drawings. So anything that's like has little metallic screws and gears, I always love making blind contour drawings out of those. Not that there are gears or screws in a shower head, but you know, kind of close. Mechanical or little, it's not even mechanical. So now I'm going on a tangent, which often happens in a blind contour drawing. So you can see I've got my shower head down here that I was describing. I've got my bottle here. The flag is coming up like this. I really got carried away with the fur, I think this was. This was the edge of the basket. And this kind of drawing is so much more about process than it is about product. So it's about seeing. It's not about drawing. It's about seeing what you're drawing. For many people, this can seem like a pointless activity. So as you do it, think of why people have been practicing this type of drawing for many, many, many years. Search that out. Maybe we've all been wrong, but I think most of you will find, I think some of you at least will find the benefit in doing these blind contour drawings. And hopefully just the act of seeing and moving your pencil around in coordination with that seeing will be helpful for some of you, if not all of you. Thanks for watching.